Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will explain how to execute shell commands using Python. For example, let me open my command prompt and type shell command dir. This will display list of files in the current working directory. Cool. Now, I will show you how to do it with Python. Step 1. Open your Python editor. Step 2. Create a Python file, and name it as run_command.py. Step 3. Write the program. Import os.system, open parentheses. Now here inside you can write whatever the shell commands you want. Let me write dir, as shown in the example. Save it, and now we will run the program to see the results. For that, go the terminal. Now, execute the run_commands.py file, which is Python run_commands.py. As soon as you execute this, you can notice list of files in the directory. Cool, right? You can also execute the Python files too. Go to Program, add one more shell command. os.system, inside type, python hello.py. In hello.py, I am having print statement stating, welcome to program hello.py. Now let me execute our program again. Alright, we have successfully executed our Python program. Hope you like our video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos on data science.